This is Concepts Chapter 12. Concepts Chapter 12, Working in the Enterprise. So this chapter really has a lot to do with how an enterprise is set up. This is a very large business with different departments. So nearly every job, that should be job, requires you to interact with technology to complete projects, exchange information with coworkers, and meet customers' needs. And as new technologies emerge, organizations look for potential employees who possess the skills that they need and are comfortable using technology. And this is all about digital literacy. We actually started the concepts in Chapter 1 talking about being digital literate, and that just means that you are able to go from one technology to another with being comfortable doing so. In the technology industry, there are many paths, many career paths that you might take in a job in the technology area. The first part of this Concepts Chapter 12 talks about information systems within the enterprise. So within a large business, it's a set of hardware, software, and data that people and procedures that work together use to produce information and to assist with sound decision making. Then information must have value, and its value should be that it is accurate, verifiable, that the information is timely, organized, accessible, useful, and cost effective. So this would be an example of a typical enterprise, and all of the different departments and centers and divisions that might be found in the enterprise, and they're known as functional units. So you have the human resource unit, the engineering or product development union, a manufacturing unit, a marketing unit, a sales unit, and a customer service unit. These are just examples. On this slide right here, it talks about, and it coordinates with pages 556 and 557 in the textbook, document management system that allows for the storage and management of a company or organization of business documents, and it supports access control, security, and version tracking and searching. So you can kind of think of this as a central location to store your documents, and it's just like you would think of it in the library, where you go, you take it out, you do some work on it, and you put it back in its place. And often in big companies, the document management system relies on cloud-based storage. And then you have the content management system that enables and manages publishing, modification, organization, and access of forms and documents and other files. And this has levels of security controls. And often it is the content's added through a graphic user interface or a web page. So TPS, or Transaction Processing System, is an information system that captures and processes data from day-to-day business activities. So you could think of it this way, that when you use your credit card, a TPS system is being used. A management information system is an information system that generates accurate, timely, and organized information so that those who need the information can use it to make decisions and solve problems. A decision support system helps users to analyze information to make decisions. So this would be an example of an online analytical processing. So where you go and you look at the data to make a decision based on what you see. An expert system is an information system that stores and captures the knowledge of experts in a certain field, and then it imitates human reasoning and decision making. So there are a lot of careers in the area of technology, and businesses and governments rely on technology. Here are some possible jobs: management, research and software development, technical support services, operations, training and support, and information security services, and marketing and strategy. So there are a lot of career choices in the technology field. This just gives you a couple examples, like the technology equipment field has to do with manufacturing and distribution of computers and devices, hardware, drives, monitors, and the software and app field consists of companies that develop, manufacture, and support a wide range of software apps for computers and the web. So the technology service and repair field is a field where maintenance and component installation and repair is done. Then you have the technology salespeople who have to be very knowledgeable in the area of technology in order to sell it to those in the market for it. There's technology-related education and training fields where you have to have people who are knowledgeable to train people within your organization who do not have as much knowledge but need to get up to speed. There's a career called a help desk specialist who answers questions over the phone or by email or a chat room. An IT consultant is usually hired based on their expertise, and they provide technology services to their clients. The next few slides just gives you different jobs in different areas of technology. This one is jobs related to systems development. You can find this, I'm not going to go through all of them, on page 568. This is jobs in the technology operations area, the job title and a description, page 569. This is the web marketing and social media jobs, their titles and descriptions, found on page 569. Data storage, retrieval, and analysis jobs, job titles and description, page 569. Information and system security jobs, page 570. App development and mobile technology jobs on page 570. And then finally, you can become certified and in certain areas of technology when you demonstrate the skills and knowledge that you have. And certifications are extremely good to have and very marketable. So the next slides just go through application software certifications that you could obtain, data analysis and database certifications, hardware certifications, networking certifications, operating system certifications that are available, program developer certifications, security certifications. This is a very big area now, and the pay is good. So finally, the chapter wraps up with some job searching and career planning advice, and that is the end of chapter 12.